Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn CSIT. In today's video, we are going to discuss security awareness and security policy, which is an important question from the Introduction to Cloud Computing chapter of BSc CSIT first semester. Let's understand both topics one by one in a simple way. First, let's know what is security awareness. Security awareness means how much a person or an organization knows about protecting their data and systems from cyber threats. It's all about knowledge, behavior, and responsibility towards digital safety. For example, being aware of phishing emails, strong passwords, and malware attacks helps people prevent data loss or hacking. In simple terms, security awareness equals knowing the risks and acting safely. Second, now what is security policy? A security policy is a written document that defines the rules, expectations, and procedures for keeping an organization's data safe. It tells employees what they should and should not do when it comes to data protection and system usage. For example, a security policy might include rules like always use strong passwords, don't share confidential information outside the company, report any suspicious activities immediately. A good security policy helps in protecting company assets like computers and data, safeguarding reputation, preventing data breaches and misuse, clarifying everyone's role in maintaining security. So, while security awareness is about people's understanding, security policy is about official rules and guidelines. So that all for today. Signing up. Please subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos.